I wanna be a billionaire so freaking bad. Buy all of the things I never had. I wanna be on the cover.
Simmer down. Alright, I'm Coach Hines. I'm going to be your substitute for the day. It says here in my playbook that I'm subbing in for Mr. Jeffrey Mudd. I don't know how y'all do things in your traditional physics class, but I run things a little bit different. I run them with discipline, and technique. Technique, we're going to draw them up. Now I hear you guys do a lot of stuff in that packets, but I'm going to explain it to you. It says here on my playbook, first thing that we're going over is Newton's first law. Perfect. What we got is we got a sun up in this little right hand corner right here. We're gonna give it sunglasses and a little sad face. I don't know why it's sad, but it is. The sun's up in the up hand corner. We have a perfect video of a young man standing there. He's got a flat top. His legs down there. I don't know. He's wearing a kilt. He throws a soccer ball in motion until it hits this very good-looking fellow down here in a striped shirt in the back of the head, stopping motion of the ball. This Mr. Isaac been in a lot of unnecessary things. Just remember, kids, Newton's first law: an object in motion shall remain in motion until acted upon by an outside force.
Cover of Forbes magazine, smiling next to Oprah and the Queen. Oh, every time I close my eyes, I see my name in shining.
Alright, hey, settle down. Moving on to our second thing on the agenda, the projectile motion. What a great thing to talk about. Football season's coming up. We got Brandon Elledge. He just got moved to fullback. I don't know why. He's going to be standing right here. He's going to be out in the flats, alright? Quarterback, Mr. Timon Nolan, standing right there, 5'8", got dreadlocks. He's standing right here. He's going to launch the ball, as we saw how he launched the golf ball, at an angle of approximately 30 degrees. Alright, the force that she's putting behind it is enough to carry it a distance of 99 yards, making it the longest touchdown pass in George Ranch history. Now, this relates perfectly to what we did outside due to the fact that we see an angle and a distance.
Lights, yeah, a different city every.
Next up, we're going to talk about something that y'all learned early in the year. It's going to be conduction. Alright, we're going to do it before and after. We have this girl coming in hot, frying pan in hand, making a beeline towards the stove. Upon putting the frying pan on the stove, there's a settle down! There's a transfer of heat from the flames to said frying pan. Textbook.
Night, oh, I swear the world better prepare for when I'm a billionaire.
Yeah, I would have a show like Oprah. I would be the host of Everyday Christmas. Give Travis a wish list. I'd probably pull a Angelina and Brad Pitt and adopt a bunch of babies that ain't.
Alright, it says next on my little playbook, gravity. We got two distinct examples of gravity here. I'm going to make my little chart again. G-gravity. Simmer down! Now, we got the classic example, little sneaky little girl up here. She's got black hair. She's got a pillow in one hand. That's a pillow. And once again, there's a dashing fellow in a striped shirt right here. He's wearing some really short shorts right now. It's uncomfortable. Now, she's going to take said pillow and drop it onto his head at, who can tell me the speed of gravity? No one. Well, I'm going to have to write a letter to Coach Mudd saying that he failed in that particular area. Now next, another distinct example, which we could have used in the game against Terry. We got, again, there's a dashing fellow standing over here. He's got aviators on now. Nice little man stash coming in. He's standing here minding his own business when someone resembling Yao Ming leaps into the air approximately 4 feet. He's got a nice vertical working, and wouldn't you know it, slams on top of this unexpected suspect. Now, where does gravity come into play? He's defying it. He's defying gravity. And the victim comes tumbling back down to earth. Alright, the final thing that we're here to talk about today is the next person to disrupt my class, harpoon in the ocular cavity. Alright, the final thing on the agenda for today, according to this Doppler fellow, I lost my blue marker. We're not gonna use the example that we used in the video. What we're gonna use is there's a big old excursion right here, and it's being chased by the police, but it managed to evade and is now going the opposite direction. Now, there's a little cop car in the background here on the other lane. There's the cop car, it's evading, and it's got sirens and everything. Wee-woo. Now, as the cop car is going past, we're gonna call this shout out to Mr. Connor Cabusio, made an A in my class last year. Now, the cop siren is going to compress the waves upon coming closer to the excursion. Now, when it leaves, the waves expand, compressing, coming closer, and expanding, going away. This was Coach Hines, and I'm out.
Give away a few Mercedes like, here lady, have this. And last but not least, grants